Good morning, everybody. Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. I'm here on a hot Wednesday morning. It's probably about 95 already. I'm doing this brand new Cougar half-ton fifth wheel trailer here. So it's brand new. They've taken it on a couple of camping trips, so I'm just doing the Griot's Garage Boss System surface prep. So I just foamed it on the front there. He cleaned it really well, but it's really dusty. But I'm going to put a sealant on it. So I've got my 2 containers full of juice from Superior Image. It's what I use on any motorhomes or any trailers like this. Puts on, a solid polymer sealant on it to help protect these decals from the Arizona sun. It's a must in Arizona. So had some power wash difficulties. Had to go get a new power washer this morning, so we're off to a late start, but we're getting it done. I'm gonna rinse this off real quick. I walked around, rinsed off any of the first initial dust on the trailer. Then I'm going to rinse this surface prep off. Then I'm going to do section by section, with my foam cannon and some brushes, agitate all the dirt, and I'll show you how I do that in just a second. All right, so we're early in the morning here, and I want to get this outside done here before traffic starts picking up here in the morning. So I got my Griot's Garage surface wash. Lay down a nice sudsy layer. Woo! Camera view. It's kind of windy today, which is unusual for Arizona, but there's some storms kicking in. Hopefully I didn't blast everybody's view there. Got a pole here, a nice Chanel mop. I'm just gonna go nice and light. Make sure I'm not catching it on anything. Put that up. So I'm kind of improvised when I do trailers here. I got this at a janitorial supply warehouse. There's not a lot of good ones out there that are just made well. The one I got, used it twice and the plastic broke on it. So this is a little bit of an experimental, but I just want something that's going to be able to get up there to the top. And of course it's catching on everything, but it's working pretty well. Just to agitate all that dirt. Like I said, it's fairly clean. It's just dusty. You'll see that. See the nice dark grime there from being stored outside in Arizona. It gets really dusty. I'm gonna go over and do the windows afterwards, so as you can see, get a lot of nice great suds. Just gonna do section at a time. I'm gonna rinse this off real quick and then move on. All right, so I have the juice sprayed over the entire trailer. As you can see, it's starting to attach and just streak down. That's normal on a polymer sealant. Now I'm going to start pressure washing it off and then do the glass, and you should see a super shine on it and long-lasting protection. So here's a quick after. So I did a rinse, get all the loose dust off, and then I washed it with first I did the surface prep for the bugs in the front, then I did the surface wash, Griot's Garage. They're foaming soap in the Boss foam cannon, Then I used the polymer sealant juice from Superior Image. I bought all my products from them, and it came out nice. Went over the windows with some sprayway. Then I wiped off any residue that's on the stickers, because that will leave some water spots with the polymer sealant if you don't get it sprayed off real good. But with the pressure washer, it'll make it real shiny. Then I took my foam brush with some cleaner, just make sure I got the top real good there. It's drying off. I gotta hit that just a little bit more. You can see a little streak in there. Other than that, have any questions, shoot me an email at detailingandtempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. With the delays, right about 2 hours on this detail. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.